channel. So today I am going to be talking about the uses of hair serum, why we should be using it and what are the benefits. So first let's get to why we should be using a hair serum. Now you need your hair serum on because you need to protect your hair. So now the hair serum creates the shield around your hair, protecting it from the harsh rays of the sun. It protects it from the dust, pollution, all of these things which actually harm your hair. So that is one of the main reasons why we use a hair serum. Now hair serum also creates this illusion that your hair is much more shinier and healthier than it normally is, because it creates this, it has this layer on top which is shiny, and when light reflects on it, that's the illusion it creates. So of course your hair might be healthy and shiny, but it is a little more when you use a hair serum. Now make sure you're using the right kind of serum for your hair, and also make sure you're using the right quantity, because hair serums, you do not need a lot. You just need a few drops, like 1 or 2 drops. You always start with a lesser quantity and you can build it up if you require. But always make sure you're using very little of it, because if you tend to use a lot, you will just end up making your hair a little greasy, oily, sticky and flat. So coming to how to use a hair serum. I am going to be demonstrating how to use a hair serum and how I use my hair serum, but I'm also going to be telling you right now 2 alternative ways of how to use a hair serum. So the first one is using a hair serum like 10 to 15 minutes before going in for a hair wash. So this helps people with a lot of frizz in their hair to cut down the frizz while they are even washing their hair and conditioning it. The second way of using a hair serum is after you've conditioned your hair, while your hair is dripping wet, you take a small amount, the same amount of serum into your palm, and then you spread it or evenly across your palm, and then you work it through your hair. But this is like, I have tried this way. It is nice. It does help in a way to cut out the frizz, but then I think you're losing a lot of product when you're taking off the extra water from your hair. Also when you're kind of towel drying your hair, you're taking off all that product, and you have to use the product again after that step. But for people with like a lot of frizz in their hair, I think that would work for you. So the normal, the natural and the original way of using a serum is right here. So let's get started with that.
To start off with, you can use any of your hair serum. I am using my Chi Silk Infusion serum, really tiny amount, and make sure you just stick to using tiny amounts. If you feel the need to use a little more, you are more than welcome to do that later, but just don't apply too much of it, otherwise it will make your hair very sticky, oily and greasy. Start by rubbing both your palms together so that the serum is equally spread out on your palm, and then comb through your hair from the midsection of your hair so that the serum is evenly distributed through the hair. Just make sure your entire hair is covered so that you don't leave any parts out. Now that I've thoroughly applied my serum all over my hair, I can, apply the remaining bits towards the top area of my hair, because there is barely anything remaining on my hand.
So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys learned a little bit about how you use a serum and different ways of using a serum and why we use a serum. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. I'm going to be making a lot more of these simple things that probably we're going wrong with. So I'm going to see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.